Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor not loading. If you've been struggling with Elementor failing to load or displaying a blank screen, this tutorial will walk you through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get your page builder working smoothly. Again, let's dive right in and resolve this issue. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website's admin dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your site's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress dashboard where all your site management tools are located. From the dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. This will display a list of all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. Now, here's an important step. You need to deactivate any caching plugins you might be running. Common caching plugins include Lightspeed Cache, W3 Total Cache, and WP Rocket. These plugins are great for performance, but they can sometimes interfere with Elementor's loading process by serving cached versions of your pages. To deactivate them efficiently, click the checkbox beside each caching plugin's name. Then, go to the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top of the plugins list, select Deactivate, and click Apply. This will temporarily turn off these plugins so we can clear any conflicts they might be causing with Elementor. Next, navigate to Elementor in your left sidebar, then click on Tools. From there, select the General tab. Here you'll find some crucial options for clearing Elementor's internal cache and regenerating its files. Click on Clear Files and Data. This action removes any corrupted or outdated files that might be preventing Elementor from loading properly. If you're using Elementor Pro, you'll also see an option to regenerate CSS and data. Go ahead and click this as well, followed by Regenerate Files. These steps ensure that all of Elementor's styling and data files are rebuilt from scratch, which often resolves loading issues caused by file corruption or conflicts. Don't forget to click Save Changes to apply these settings. This step is easy to overlook, but absolutely necessary for the changes to take effect. Now head back to your main dashboard. In the left menu panel, select Updates. Scroll down until you find your active WordPress theme. Depending on your WordPress version, this might be 20.